Hey everyone, we're going to give you a very quick tour of our room here at the Eden Rock Hotel in Anaheim. The Eden Rock Hotel is located at 1830 Southwest Street in Anaheim, California. It is about a 1-mile walk to the gates of Disneyland, but don't let that scare you. It is only about 3/10 of a mile longer of a walk than Disney's Paradise Pier Hotel. Additionally, you get to walk through one of the world's largest hidden Mickeys. It is rated number 17 out of 127 hotels in Anaheim. We consider this a budget hotel. At the time of filming, the parking fee was $15 a night plus tax. We booked a 2-queen room here at the Eden Rock. Originally, we were in a downstairs room in this building, and when we walked in, everything was clean, but the floor didn't look like it had been cleaned at all. So we asked to be moved, and they moved us to an upstairs room. This room is significantly larger than the room we were originally put in. There's tons of space in here, especially if you have a stroller or if you needed to put a pack and play in here for little ones. There's tons of space in here. I mean, look how much space there is between the dresser and the beds. We were really shocked when we came in this room how much larger it is. Also, we wanted to mention that this hotel has rooms with 3 queen beds that are not a suite. It's just a regular room with 3 queen beds. And I know a lot of larger families are always looking for rooms that are larger to accommodate their whole family, where they don't have to book 2 rooms, adjoining rooms, and have to pay for the fee of 2 rooms. So that's a really big bonus for this hotel. Eden Rock is located basically on the corner of Disneyland Drive and Catella Avenue. So you can walk down Disneyland Drive and enter the parks through the security entrance by the Disneyland Hotel and Earl of Sandwich. There is a Coco's across the street from the Eden Rock Hotel, but another great quick breakfast option when the parks reopen would be to go inside the Paradise Pier Hotel on your walk to Disneyland. They have a wonderful little cafe in the downstairs lobby that sells a lot of quick grab-and-go items, and they also have a full coffee bar there as well. We found the beds a little firm for our liking, and also the pillows were very small and only 2 pillows per bed. I think had our kids been here, the pillow situation would have been a little bit difficult, considering we usually have to put pillows in between our kids when they share a bed to kind of keep them on each other's side. So just a quick note, if you are driving and you're able to bring your own pillow, you might want to do that if you're staying here. Another great option here at this hotel is they do offer a microwave and a mini fridge, where a lot of the surrounding hotels in this area only offer a mini fridge, so it's really nice to have a microwave in your room as well. They've done a really good job to include a lot of outlets here in this room for an older motel style room. They have lots of regular outlets all throughout the room. There's 2 in the middle of both beds, and there's at least 3 different other ones down lower by the baseboards. This microwave also has 2 regular plugs, and they've also included this charger with 2 USBs and 2 regular plugs as well. So there's lots of options for charging lots of devices in this room. When we first arrived at this hotel, I was really impressed with how much they've renovated here. The entire outside is renovated. They've replaced all the windows with newer dual pane windows, so it's a lot quieter in the rooms. And they've also replaced all of the doors to the rooms. This is one of the best doors as far as gaps. There really wasn't any light coming through the door, unlike a lot of the other hotels and motels in this area, so that really helped with noise as well. This is a motel, so the walkways are outdoors, cars are right outside of our room, so there is a lot of noise from that, car honking when they get locked, people slamming their doors and their trunks. So just be mindful that it might be a little bit louder than a hotel because it is a motel. They have a great countertop area here, lots of space. We had plenty of room for all of our stuff. And the shower was really nice. The shower head was nice and tall. I'm 5'9" and Jim's 6 foot tall, and the shower head was like a perfect level for us. It wasn't too low where we were having to hunch over or anything like that. The water pressure was really great. The water was super hot, actually a little too hot, which, I mean, you can't really complain about too hot water, right? So it was a a perfect shower, and also the closet space here is really large, and they do provide 1 luggage rack. I kind of wish there was 2 luggage racks just for both of our suitcases to be up and out of the way. Especially if we were traveling with our kids, we would have a much larger suitcase, so it would be nice to have 2 luggage racks, but a lot of rooms only have 1. They have done a really great job of remodeling this room. They've added a lot of extra details like recessed lighting and crown molding. You can tell it was recently renovated, and other than our little snafu of the floor being a little bit dirty, it was a great stay. We hope you enjoyed this tour of the Eden Rock Hotel in Anaheim. If you have any questions or comments, please be sure to put them down below. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this content, please give us a like and consider subscribing. Thank you.